Welcome to another edition of the Y Trader. I am your host Rothman, and today we're going to be doing our February update, our February P&L. We're going to let everybody know where we stand on all of our trades and what we're doing next. So let's get down to it right away. WYNN, WYNN, WYNN stock, WYNN gaming. I hate it. I recommended it about a month ago as a short position. We recommended that in puts. I don't like the way it trades on a daily basis. In fact, it almost doesn't trade. It's dead. Something out there is wrong. Do I still believe my thesis on casinos and their revenue going down because of a difficult environment where people are losing their jobs and really curtailing spending, especially discretionary spending on gambling? Yes, I think that they're going to feel the pain. When is that going to be reflected in the price of the stock? I'm not sure, but I don't like the way it trades. I don't like the volume. I don't like anything about WYNN, so I am cutting it. Yes, it's about a 75% loser, and we're going to take it because we have to. 25% of your capital is better than zero. So we're taking WYNN off the table, and we're moving on. Next, RDFN, Redfin. We recommended that at about $6.20. It ran to about $10. We took about 50% off the table, and we recommended that our viewers do the same. We had a huge gain in that, and we locked it in. We're still up 23% in this stock, and we're waiting for a pullback into that $6 range. $5.50, we would love it. We will load up the truck with Redfin again, and we still believe and maintain a $15 price target on that stock. RIG, R-I-G, Transocean, we love it. I love the energy sector, but I love deep sea drilling because I think that the infrastructure that's been gone for 10 to 15 years is now back, and it's going to stay for the next 10 to 15 years because we need that infrastructure to get to an EV world where we eliminate fossil fuels for good. But that's not happening tomorrow. And for the next 10 to 15 years, it's going to be a very intensive fossil fuel environment to get to the next level. I think RIG will be a huge contributor of that. We recommended that stock around that 640 range. We're up about 6 to 8% on it now. I loved it at $5.50, $5 and $4.50. So if I could average in at $5, I love it. I'm not sure if that's wishful thinking or not, or if the market will even give me that opportunity. But if it does, I'm going to jump at it. I acquired some at $6 the other week when it had about an 11% down day. I loved it. It's almost back up to $7. And quite frankly, the sky is the limit for something like RIG Transocean. Next, CVNA, Carvana. Yes, it's going bankrupt. It's still going bankrupt. There's nothing they can do, and there's nothing they will do to avoid that. We recommended a short entry at $18. Now the stock is trading at less than $9. We're up 55% on that trade. We're taking 50% off the table. And you know what? We're going to ride the other remainder 50% to $2, $1, wherever. Somewhere obscene, because this company is going to die slowly. Nothing happens overnight, but it's going to happen. And I think by the end of this year, the plug will be pulled on Carvana. So that's it. We keep it real here all the time. We share our winners. We share our losers. That's what we do. We want to make sure that we never leave any of our viewers holding the bag like people at CNBC and other clowns and donkeys that recommend and double down and triple down on ideas and are never held accountable for their mistakes. We want to make sure that we tout our winners, and we want to make sure that we distinguish the fact that we had a terrible trade and we had some losers. So we will never misguide you or tell you something that we didn't do or talk about things that never happened. Anyway, as always, if you like what we're saying, if you like what we're doing, please support the channel. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit those bells, hit those whistles. We'll see you next time on the next edition of the Y Trader. This is Rothman, over and out.